The disunity and discord among opposition parties in Delhi and Maharashtra directly aided the BJP in its victory. If this continues, why even form alliances? Just fight to your heart's content. Just keep fighting amongst yourselves. India bloc split wide open. Sena UBT mouthpiece Hamna echoing the sentiment of several allies after the Delhi debacle for AAP and Congress. But the grand old party is in no mood to relent.
इस बारे में दिल्ली में जो हुआ अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का, वो क्या हम जिम्मेदार है? जब हमारे ऊपर केजरीवाल ने जिस तरह से आरोप लगाया था, तब क्या उसका परिणाम आज क्या हुआ?
Though some Congress chief ministers are speaking out,
but everyone is expecting everything. That is the biggest problem. We have seen in Delhi, we have seen in Haryana. Kejriwal has disturbed in Haryana, where Congress has got defeat, and Congress has done something in Delhi. So ultimately, BJP is benefiting.
Just after the results on the 8th, this cryptic post by J&K Chief Minister and National Conference Working President Omar Abdullah, a stark commentary on the state of affairs in the India bloc, which has been on a downward slope since the Lok Sabha polls. The Delhi drubbing for the Aam Aadmi Party and Congress, the third straight rout, has only made matters worse for the opposition alliance. Omar was also one of the first opposition leaders expressing his disenchantment with the bloc when he said that it's better to wind up the alliance if parties can't work together.
बदकिस्मती की बात यह है कि क्योंकि इंडिया ब्लॉक की कोई मीटिंग बुलाई नहीं जा रही है, तो इसमें कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं है, ना लीडरशिप को लेके, ना एजेंडा को लेके, ना आगे क्या हम रहेंगे या नहीं रहेंगे इसको लेके.
Congress's love-hate relationship with its allies has been one of the main factors for the alliance being in the doldrums. In Delhi as well, the party refused to ally with Aam Aadmi Party, and its leaders, led by Rahul Gandhi, made direct attacks on Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal. The other allies backed AAP over Congress in the Delhi battle. The friendly fire burnt a decisive hole in AAP's tally, with the party losing at least 13 seats in Delhi, where the Congress vote was more than the AAP's loss margin, giving the party ammunition to fire back at its ally.
हरियाणा में भी कांग्रेस ने जो है आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ अलायंस नहीं किया, तो वहाँ भी नुकसान हुआ. तो इंडिया ब्लॉक को बहुत ज़रूरी है इस समय सोचने की बात, और कहीं न कहीं सबसे पहले इकट्ठे होकर इस पर वार्तालाप होनी चाहिए, कारणों में जाना चाहिए, क्या कारण है, क्यों हम बार बार जो है लूज कर रहे हैं.
Since Congress's drubbing in Haryana elections and Aghadi's rout in Maharashtra, it's been a rough ride for the India bloc. Allies have explicitly expressed no confidence in the leadership of Congress, with Mamata Banerjee pitching for the alliance's leadership. Will the Delhi loss push the India partners into taking a hard look at the alliance, or is it the beginning of its end? Bureau Report, NDTV.